Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, kidney health. Did you know that kidney problems are becoming more common every day? In fact, millions of Americans are affected by kidney issues, and the numbers are rising. But the good news is, there are foods that can help support and even repair your kidneys. Let's jump right into the top 6 foods that can help repair and maintain healthy kidneys. These foods are not just delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients that your kidneys will thank you for. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are small but mighty when it comes to health benefits, especially for your kidneys. They are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major contributors to kidney damage. Additionally, blueberries are low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them an ideal fruit for maintaining kidney health. Number 2. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are not only colorful and delicious, but they're also excellent for kidney health. They are low in potassium, which is crucial for those with kidney issues since high potassium levels constrain the kidneys. Red bell peppers are rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as folic acid and fiber. These nutrients support overall health and help reduce inflammation, making it easier for your kidneys to function properly. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic is well known for its anti-inflammatory and cholesterol-lowering properties. For those with kidney issues, reducing inflammation is key to preventing further damage. Garlic also has antibacterial and antioxidant effects, which can protect your kidneys from infections and oxidative stress. Plus, it adds flavor to food without the need for excessive salt, which is better for your kidneys. Number 4. Fatty fish, like salmon. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are powerful anti-inflammatories. These fatty acids help reduce inflammation in the body, including in the kidneys. Omega-3s also help lower blood pressure, which is crucial for kidney health, as high blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet can help protect your kidneys and support their function. Number 5. Red grapes. Red grapes are more than just a sweet snack. They're packed with resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from damage. Resveratrol is also known for its heart protective benefits, which is important because kidney and heart health are closely linked. Additionally, red grapes are low in potassium, making them a safe choice for those with kidney issues. Number 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that's incredibly beneficial for your kidneys. It's low in potassium and high in fiber, which helps to support digestive health. Cauliflower is also a good source of vitamins C, K, and B6, along with folate. Its high fiber content can help remove toxins from the body, easing the burden on your kidneys. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can help support your kidneys and reduce the risk of kidney-related problems. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is essential for your overall health. By choosing the right foods, you can give your kidneys the support they need to function at their best. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our health tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.